Hello from Tennessee. So, excuse the fan noise in the background there. I'm doing an unboxing. This is my first experience with Monta, as you'll see in the description. If you've been in the hobby any amount of time, Monta is a brand that I'm sure you've probably heard of, and definitely considered an enthusiast brand and known for their finishing. Beautiful presentation box here. Nice lacquered. Let's get that out of the way quickly. And let's open her up. And this is the Noble opaline dial. Good first impression. Nice looking watch. Light in hand. And that's it. More to come on this one. As always, stay positive, make friends, enjoy the journey. Thanks, everybody.